In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple custom fonts to Squarespace 7.1. We'll walk through where to find your font controls, how to assign different fonts to your headings and paragraphs, and how to lock in your changes so they show across your site. Start by opening your Squarespace site and entering the editor. Click Edit so you're working on the live page preview. This lets you see your changes in real time, which is super helpful when you're choosing typefaces. Next, open your site styles. In Squarespace 7.1, you'll find fonts inside the Site Styles panel. Open Fonts, then choose All Font Packs. This area gives you a curated set of font combinations and access to a wide range of individual typefaces. You can mix and match here to create a custom pairing that fits your brand. You'll see live text samples in the preview. Click on the heading sample to start. Squarespace groups heading styles together, and you can assign a font to your headings globally. As you click each heading sample, choose the typeface and weight you want. If you're using multiple fonts, this is where you'll differentiate them. For example, pick a bold, expressive font for H1 and H2, and a clean, readable one for H3 through H6. Keep an eye on size and weight so your hierarchy stays clear. Now click on the sample that reads, "This is your paragraph." This controls your body text. Select a font that pairs well with your headings and is comfortable to read at smaller sizes. A practical tip: aim for strong contrast between your heading and paragraph fonts. Something with character up top and something neutral for the body often works best. Continue clicking the heading samples in the preview to fine-tune each level. Even if the names repeat, you can adjust weights, letter spacing, and styles so H1s feel distinct from H3s and below. The live preview helps you see how these choices look across titles, subheadings, and longer blocks of text. If a font feels too heavy or too light, try a different weight rather than changing the font entirely. That often preserves your brand feel while improving readability. When everything looks consistent and on-brand, click Save. This publishes your font choices across your site. If something doesn't look right in context later, you can return to fonts and tweak individual headings or the paragraph style without starting over. That's it. You've added and assigned multiple custom fonts in Squarespace 7.1,